Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting at the Adjoa searching and then the kanya wo de ehwemia mesra wo na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification and sa ne news say de betum bia wo benya bi atie anase wo benya bi ahwe ewo GC and page ha Afia Schwar na oka say Afia nie sister na edansem na Afia Schwar eka Afia kire say Obeto abano de ama NPP ama yokuo no 2024 anase obe campaign de ama NPP ama yokuo no 2024 if only they make Vice President Dr. Bawumia their flag bearer and some say na Afia Schwar eka Afia say so obeto abano de ama NPP ama yokuo no biemu dia she say omo the Vice President Dr. Bawumia aba as their flag bearer and sana wato aba no de ama NPP ama yokunti and some say na Afia Schwar de abetudwa na adofo yebo Afia Schwar ne din am say Ghana obia enim no oyobia oye comedian ne ho de esri ye papa na wokoka na onfa nchew oso te ho a membe ka no wote ho a on be kan because wokoka na de ebefa wani so no enya asem ketwa Afia ne nkofo bebre enya beef ewo Ghana hanom na ye nim say Afia Schwar na we NDC nia 2016 ye beka ya Afia Schwar Tracy Boache Mesbel mu nyina omo ye campaign de ma oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama obeye president enya asem keto akra na 2020 abra ye beto aba e wo Ghana hanom no fofia nto ata ehu say Afia Schwar akodi NPP amayoko nechi na edensem na ebe ye fiampa Afia odo vice president Mahama former president Mahama say na wasanso abedi NPP achi ene nkofo kan say sisi ye sikentia sisi NPP for atisika ma Afia Schwar na odi nti na wabedi party na achi no nkofo kekan sema Afia Schwar ba out ebeka say dabi enye sike bi na NPP for dia ma no enye japade bi na NPP for dia ma no because but ono Afia Schwar no ohwe enjankafo owo mba nso omo eco school onim how school fees nim to I esite onu pa se bi okakra ekura no enye easy se obetua womba ne school fees na omo ni bi kra it free SHS his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ede ebae no ene ade a motivate ono efu a Afia Schwar otumi edi eye his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo nechi a 2020 Nana emini aba no na nanse ya Russia na Ukraine na COVID-19 niam be ya Ghana mu aye din ne Afia Schwar habo NPP fo anya asem keto akra na na mafo bi se sisi Afia no sisi so we hu say keneken a 2024 e bi NDC beba nti osanso akodi NDC achi ene nkofo atwa abona na de ade ase masa jina ba bi fa ko NPP a NPP o NDC a NDC ni hu say yes where you when me say oh ye politics na and Afia Schwar say 2024 e wa ha ya ba beto aba asanso abeyi Ghana mampeni na wabedi ye nim na Afia say ebeye ama Ghana for say ebe mana Vice President Dr. Bawumia ababedi ye nim as president because enyema Vice President ababaye no o sefata so be president bill na eno Afia the Vice President Dr. Bawumia the picture eto ni Instagram page na or the caption way eto ase Afia na oka say and I quote if I will vote for NPP again if I campaign for NPP then it is because at Bawumia is the flag bearer period nti Afia Schwar kire say obeto aba no de ama NPP bi wa che Vice President Dr. Bawumia na oye Vice President obeye flag bearer de ama NPP ama yoko no wie na o kire say your opinion is not welcome na say the comment section one men go din sem hu because who go din sem hu a ade ebeye nti Afia Schwar kire say Vice President Dr. Bawumia deserve so obeye flag bearer de ama NPP party no na say NPP party o ma no ye flag bearer ono so beto aba de ama NPP party no
yeah it's unprofessionalism. Anna, I have said it, I'm saying it again. Ejube January mu na ye nyina ye bom pa ye se nya me say. O me family papa nya den. Oh yes. Zion, the kind of pain my father was going through, that morphine into me and coolly pain. No. There's no painkiller. A draw and near Juma beam. Me papa kasa. On didi. On numunsuo. Or the whole heading. And na all bre. Me papa wuye. So me call her she be mortuary. Sometimes they ask me, and me and I'm calling anybody. They ask me, are you not scared? And I'm like, my father alive was scarier. Me papa that damn from January 1st to 17th, no. Nani who me papa even though he wasn't dead. Oh, we are not be fair.
You have a chance not to.
Oh, Zion. I will not put a picture on camera, but I'll show you pictures that you would think my father was dead. But that was how he was, and I'm done saying, Ewaha. And he drew maybe a drop him into the neck crying assassin. That's how I deny it. My father died in this room, in my arms, in this room. And a day I catch him send me for cancer no. Na me wo America. Na me wo somewhere around Times Square. And I remember going to the bathroom, kneeling down and holding God by his word. Because you can't hold God by his word that me eduane me toma de penam ko an me nyame won wapam enenyo no me hwe nyanka me hwa asofo I look out for strangers me hwe children on the streets or won't have foundation twice every year we feed children on the street and so me nyame wapam apart from the tithes me offering and me nyame bompaye bia me kwa sorry. Sometime December, and I'm for my mama lestic. Me boy, first week of January. And I'm lestic catcher me so papa. Or cool. Na nyankopon empesa obi du hom. Enti nyankopon train say me I will let go of my father. If not, God is still holding on to my covenant. I'm in a year maybe me pet am ni baby and I'm so yes. America toilet to be so. And he told me to kneel down. And that Sunday, when I knelt in church, I would be at and so on. As my catching Uncle Pon say on Jimmy on Sammy Papa area. On my uncle. Because another day, Zion, me won't be down. Me won't be that. And I can talk about it forever because me won't be that. Me papa, cancer is a bastard. And so yeah, I am thanking God because my father is in a better place. And ever since my father died, to God be the glory, there is no week I met that means soon I young woman, papa. My fear was his absence, and he's very present in my life, which is comforting.
Why is absence? No, it's not in my mouth.
I mean, papa for almost 10 years. So, and yet he was like the better part of my life.
Okay.
Me pie, now me banner baby. When something goes wrong, I tell my father when it's right. When I have good news, the first person I want to tell is my father. Do you know how many times I'm a phone and dial me papa number? Then, you know, the obvious setting. Say, I'm used to say, Zion, when you say meeting your P, Mary, me cast a member that, maybe 1 o'clock, over not here.
Okay.
Sometimes over frame me, on him about 12:30.
Okay, was okay one.
Me can one. At my age, as stubborn as I am, me peer, me deciding not here. Yanam Jimmy home, Yanam Jimmy fee, Yanam Jimmy Sika. Have to call, look for a story to tell him. Because the man crammy papa say, may quite Juma. After 9, everybody in this house will tell you. He will not let me go out. So those, you know.
Okay, what to continue, mommy? And you know, fast. 1 week celebration and you know, a coming of us here. Of course, now all eyes was on the fear. Now I'm for say the ebusan funi ho.
Ebusan for me when you know me will be here, but also no. Ebusan no. And then you know no. When you be peja the pebi to stand for everybody. Also, let me tell you something. Me papa wan kasa kopim on the 14th of January. About 14th, yawada 15th. Maybe that 16th, because the other 17th. Edward, 14th of January was Thursday. Now on the 10th of January, and now my papa doctor catch me say, Oba, how can I catch me say papa needs to call hospital BMDA. Me starting your hospice arrangements. And you know, on the 4th, and on mommy, like she be funeral home. Wanna call mommy, Fifi Prats. We have some group of friends. And you know, me can't the doctor and can't and mommy will be all that she be funeral home. And the 14th of January, and I'm call preparation.
Before so no.
Oh, Bibia. Because one, now me papa will fear. Me, Mary, and a penna, and a tifia. One, I didn't want to scare Mary. I didn't know her mental strength at that time. And she was say, because I'm papa will and then I may, you get it. Mean to me, friend Mary saw Mary said that they